Gavana wa kaunti ya Kisumu Peter Anyang' Nyong'o riu niwe ugukorwo agitongoria micemanio ya kiama kia ODM thutha wake kwamurwo ta muikariri giti wa ihinda wa kiama kiu.
That in light of the grueling campaign by our party leader and the need for him to focus on this for the AU chairmanship, he has designated His Excellency Honorable Peter Anyang' Nyong'o, the Governor of Kisumu, to chair any and such meetings of this committee, the Central Committee, that may become necessary during periods of his absence.
Kuringana na mwandiki wa kiama giki na uria nowe seneta wa Nairobi Edwin Sifuna, augite ndeto ino itafanitio niguo kweheria mihuhu na nganja iri ikoretwo igitheremio, akiuga Nyong'o ni wori itafanagia micemanio yothe ithenya-ini iria Raila Amolo Odinga uria urarwirira giturwa kia muikariri giti wa ngwataniro ya mabũrũri ma Africa AU.
And will always brief the public on the deliberations and resolutions of these meetings. There really therefore is no need for the sort of speculation, innuendo and propaganda that surrounds our meetings.
Na kurumirira kwamurwo kwa minister ana thirikari-ini ya Kenya Kwanza, riu kiama giki ni kiuritie kanjo nene ya ithurano kiama-ini kia ODM gutafania ithurano mweri-ini wa 11 mwaka uyu niguo kuihuria mathenya maria maratigirwo ni minister aya.
The National Elections Coordinating Committee be and is hereby directed to prepare to hold the postponed grassroots elections in the month of November this year.
Gatagati ka aria marameragiria matagiturwa giki kia ODM ni hamwe na gavana wa Kisii Simba Arati, gavana wa Homa Bay Gladys Wanga, gavana wa Kisumu Anyang' Nyong'o oro hamwe na senator wa Nairobi Edwin Sifuna. Handũ-inĩ ha Inooro TV, njitagwo Ikua wa Boshi.